Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are feeling fine and you are passing a great time. So today in this video, we are going to learn tenses. Yes, tenses. And some of you may think, yeah, we already know tense. Yes, I know you already know tenses, and some of you maybe don't know tenses. If you already know tenses, but after that, this video will be helpful for you. Okay, why? Because I'm going to discuss some extra rules of present indefinite tense, which is known as present simple tense, and present continuous tense, which is known as present progress tense. So if you are a beginner English learner, then this video will be helpful for you because tense is crucial for every English learner, because without knowing tense very well, you can't form a sentence in a better way, in a correct way. So if you want to make sentences by your own, all by yourself, then you have to know tenses very well. So as I said earlier, that today in this video I'm going to talk about present simple tense and present continuous tense. Okay, first let's go for present simple tense. Present indefinite tense indicate the action that happens in present. Okay, that happens simply in present. Suppose I speak, I smile, I eat, I drink, I look, I watch, I see, I run, I walk. Okay, these all are present simple tense because the action in every sentence happen in present. That's why these all are present simple tense. And present simple tense has its own structure. By using the structure or by following the structure, we can make sentences. And the structure is subject plus a present form of verb, which is known as V1 plus object or extension. Okay, let's make some sentences. I play as verb, football object. Okay, I smile, I cook, I laugh, I watch, I look, or I walk, I run. Okay, these all are present simple tense, and these all are followed present simple tenses structure. Okay, so if you want to form a sentence and the action happen in the present, then you can use this present simple tenses structure to make the sentence in English. Okay, now let me tell you an extra rule of present simple tense. When an action happens every single day, when an action happen every other day or every specific day, then that action is also present simple tense, because the action that we do daily also follow the present simple tense structure. Okay, suppose I wake up early in the morning every single day. This is a habit, so you have to express this habit by following present simple tense structure. Okay, because this is a present simple tense. But if you want to say that today you wake up early in the morning, then you have to use past simple tenses structure, because the action that happened in a specific time, that follow past indefinite tense structure. Okay, but when you are used to doing something daily, then you have to use present simple tense structure to make that English sentence. Okay, suppose I make English videos daily, then I have to use present simple tense structure to make these sentences. So what will be the sentence? I make videos daily. Let's talk about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense indicate the action that is happening in the present. Okay, suppose I'm making a video. This action is happening right now. Okay, suppose some people are playing football. The action is happening now in the present. Suppose air is blowing. The action is happening right now. Suppose someone is talking right now. That action is happening right now. Suppose if you want to say something that is happening right now, that is happening in the present, then you have to use present continuous tenses structure to make or form the sentences. So what is the structure of present continuous tense? The structure is subject plus am, is, are plus v plus ing plus object. Okay, or extension. Let's make some couple of sentences. I am speaking. So I am speaking. Okay, suppose they are laughing, so they are laughing. Okay, let me tell you the extra rule. If an action that will happen in the future is planned already, then you have to use present continuous tenses structure. For example, I am going to London. I will go to London, but the action is already planned. That's why I am using present continuous tenses structure. Okay? And also native English speakers use this grammar rules. They also use present continuous tenses structure to tell planned future action. Okay, so I think you have understood. Suppose I will make a video tomorrow morning, so the action will happen in the future, I mean tomorrow morning, but as I already planned the action, that's why if I want to say this thing, I mean I will record a video in the morning, then I have to say I'm recording a video tomorrow morning. So dear brothers and sisters, I think you have understood. Okay, that's all for today. I'll catch you in my next video.